Hello, everybody. It's good to see you guys. I just got done doing a live stream. No one really joined, so I'm just gonna make a video on like forecasting and everything. And what I've talked about, I'm about to talk about to you guys in a video. So I'm gonna do another stream tomorrow. Um, I'm not too sure how long this video is exactly gonna be, but I'm just gonna talk about stuff like about the weather forecasting, and I'm gonna look at the weather cams and show you all that stuff. And okay, let's just get into it. So the radar. Let me do this full screen. Hang on. Gotta do it professionally. So, all of this, zoom out, all of this is coming straight towards us tonight and into tomorrow, so on and so forth. I'm gonna show you all that's covered in the United States. So, sorry about that. Stuff all over the United States. They're not all over, but like in a lot of spots. Mainly down here in the Midwest and uh over here into. Okay, so I'm just gonna say this. I'm sorry. I'm gonna use this term. From basically Tornado Alley over into Dixie Alley. I'm gonna say that. That's more reasonable for me to say. That's like easier for me to talk about. There's stuff in like outside of the United States, like into Canada, into the ocean. Mainly, just like I said, mainly down here. So all this green and orange, whatever, um, all that's heavy snow, heavy stuff. And the blue is like low precip. The more coloration is the heavier the precip is and everything. Um, this is going all the way from Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Louisiana, Texas, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Kansas, a little bit into Nebraska, uh, some in Iowa, so on and so forth. Stuff like that. Let's get into the forecasting and everything. Well, first let's go to the M dot cameras, weather cams. I'm just gonna call it weather cams. Uh, like I said in my live stream, just a second ago, if this sounds a little bit different, that's because of I got a new mic and everything for my computer. Why is this not loading? Let me just refresh the page. Maybe that'll work. Possibly. I don't know what's going on here. Let me just do this. Close that out. N.traffic.com. Use that. There we go. This is starting to work. Okay. Okay doke. Okay doke. Okay doke. Okay doke. Okay doke. Let me use satellite because I'm gonna try to find the one like by the WTVA station. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. This is gonna be over by the mall. So that's whatever highway that is. This gonna be down. It's gonna be by the mall. I'm just gonna use this for reference, I guess. Or I can try to find the mall. This is gonna be. This is probably gonna be it right here. Hang on. This is gonna be it right here. I swear. No, it's not. Never mind. That's whatever. I'm gonna use this as reference, I guess. That'll be fine. Switch to video. Do full screen. So you can kind of see it about right here. You can somewhat see this like the snow. Oh, really? It's really ice right now, like sleet and stuff falling down here. And these cars that's out driving, that's not ideal. Because as soon as it hits the ground, it freezes because it's like way below freezing right now. It is currently 23 degrees as we speak. Really dangerous kind of weather. That just wouldn't be any good. And the next Walgreens. Okay. Um, exit out of this. That's 11. I guess I don't know. Let's go to the forecasting. That's the wrong thing. This is the right thing right here. Okay, this is the right tab. Right tab. So I'm gonna go into the 7-day forecast on here. On WTVA. That's what we use. Uh, for tomorrow, in literally 55 minutes, it's gonna be Friday, and that's gonna change. So I'm gonna just go on ahead and say tomorrow. So tomorrow is basically the real deal. 90% chance of rain. High 35, low 31. And pardon me for the burp. Sorry about that. And then Saturday, high 37, low 27. The lows just kind of stay between that area for the next few days, or next week. Then mainly into the 40s starting Sunday. Some from 40, so it's basically 5 degrees. So after tomorrow, Saturday is gonna be 2 degrees higher. And the lows, you can just look at that and stuff. Uh, let's see the radar. There you are. Sorry about that. Try to stay awake here. Close that, whatever that is. So this blue, uh, that's mix and snow. You can see that right here. You can look at that.